So guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you are going to get my video or notification each time I upload a new video.
Let's get prepared.
Get prepared.
Shh.
Listen
carefully
and pay attention. This is cutting machine. I want to show you my new cutting machine. Just bought it. I want you to view it. I want you to see it right round. This is clothes cutting machine. It makes cutting easier. If you want to go into pret-a-pattern, do you know what that means? Into cut and sew, that is ready to wear. Then you must buy this machine. I've opened it already because I did my first review and I lost the video. So then I'm hell-bent on showing you the carton and how it was sealed. This is the new machine. So I've got to bring out everything and show you. This is the cutting machine itself. This is the cord. Use it and fix it here. Yes. This is the extra blade. Manual. Strange. I don't know what it's used for, but I'll still check it on YouTube or read the manual to see the purpose of this. And these are the spares. It's still sealed, so let's see how it works. This is the head, and I fix it. Yeah. This is the on and off switch. So I've got to on it. Very sharp. So let's try and cut some piece of cloth so that you see how it works. So let me just cut this without thinking. I want to cut a little boyfriend shorts. This is gonna give me 2. So I draw as a Nigerian number. So I'm supposed to use pattern, but as a Nigerian, we don't use pattern. We do things locally. So I just want to do this. Just do this without thinking much. I want to do boyfriend shorts so that I will show you how it works. Nothing more, just to show you how my cutting machine works, how it works. Okay, I have to do this here and do this here. Okay, let's see how it works.
Lele, Mariam.
The last time I used 9, I packed 4 here, I packed 9, and I did the cutting within 5 to 10 minutes. Very easy, just like that. See what is happening is because my fabric is thin, not up to what I'm supposed to cut here. That's why it is behaving that way. So that's my cotton machine. You can see this is 4. Let me fold again. I want to just show you how it can cut. It's now 8 and it is now 16. So let's see how it's gonna cut this 16 layer with ease. See, very simple, and it's gonna give you a very sharp and straight edge. See how sharp it is. And to make work easier, it has rolling foots that rolls here that will make your cutting machine to be moving on your table swiftly. You can see how it is rolling. So guys, if you like what I just did, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you are going to get my video or notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you. I remain your talented Tiana.